Now, the government of Democratic Republic of Congo says despite the many challenges facing the country, the current administration has put measures in place to address poverty amongst the people. It says free education in primary schools is one of the steps taken to alleviate poverty. The country is heading to presidential and parliamentary elections next week, where the incumbent President Felix Tshisekedi is seeking re-election for a second term. SABC News reporter Ditaba Tsotetsi is in Kinshasa and filed this report.
The finance ministry says since the current administration came into power in 2019, great strides have been made to address poverty in the country. It says a lot still needs to be done to improve the lives of people.
We have improved the rating of the country. Three main rating agencies have improved the notation of the country. All this is showing clearly that there is a big change in the country in terms of governance, and people see that. And this is very important to attract good investors. Our objective is not to limit foreign investors only on the mining sector, but to help to be able to attract people who will help us in the diversification of the economy. It means industry, it means agriculture, and that is our main objective.
The incumbent president is seeking a second term, saying he wants to continue the programs aimed at growing the economy. The ministry says that the war in the eastern part of the country does not paint a positive picture for investors, and it needs to be resolved.
The President clearly made it very clear that he would fight this situation with a lot of tools. One is diplomacy, the other one is economic cooperation, another one is also military, and he tried all of them, showing his very goodwill to continue to cooperate with the neighbors. And the biggest move he made was for the country to enter the East African community, to share prosperity with those countries instead of fighting each other.
The DRC government says that the mining sector does not create enough jobs, and new policies will be implemented to ensure that the minerals are processed locally, which is not currently the case.
There are some challenges that we have to face. The main one is energy, and the other one is transportation, local transportation, local way to roads, etc. But we are working on that, and there are many partners from all over the world who are willing to invest more to transform locally, and this will bring a big change in the country. This will bring our country to another level. We are talking now about billions. We will talk very quickly in trillions.
The DRC's Minister of Finance says companies operating in the eastern part deprive citizens of their wealth as they export minerals without benefiting the ordinary people. Ditaba Tsotetsi, SABC News, Kinshasa, DRC.